never made it, but I know what it takes.
Good morning, everybody. Jonathan Dykes again, Renu Krew Softwash. Today we are in Tylertown, Mississippi, about to do a house wash and a roof clean. As you can tell, we got a lot of black stains on the roof. We're gonna get those all taken care of. This roof is gonna be looking like a brand new roof when we finish. We're about to start some time lapse. Come along for the ride. This is gonna be a good one.
I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and that we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control.